Hello, my lovely people. Welcome back to Bella's Forex. Guys, this will be an analysis on gold. It's been long, guys. I know. I've been MIA, but I'm back because I saw something spectacular on gold and I'm ready to share, guys. So let's just get into this video, guys. Let's just analyze this chart. Guys, for the longest we've been saying gold was going to buy. I even made a video showing us what gold was going to do buying. But right now, guys, we are seeing something different on the chart. We're not going to buy gold now, presently. We're going to be selling gold, guys. We're going to be selling gold. Remove your mind from buying gold, especially if you want to join the trend. Let's sell gold, guys. So now I'm going to give us a breakdown of why I said so. So, for the longest, we've been on a very nice uptrend, right? So this is my daily time frame, guys. So we've been on a very nice uptrend for the longest. Okay. So now when we zoom in, okay, when we zoom in on this daily time frame, you can see what gold did. After price went to the upside, right? Price came down. Can you see, guys? And see where price is currently at, guys. Right? So remember that we have a trend line right about here, right? And I told us that when price breaks a trend line, it doesn't mean that it's a choke, right? And we can see that our choke is seated right about here, right? So guys, after price got to this choke on the daily time frame, price was unable to break that choke. Price was unable to break that choke. When we zoom in, we can see this choke. We can see this choke soon. The price was unable to break. Yes, price was resisting to break that choke soon. Okay. So now, guys, that was what made us think that gold was going to buy massively to the upside and break structure to the upside to start buying. We wanted to see gold break structure to this upside and start buying. But what are we seeing, guys? Gold is actually selling. So after that rejection of this choke that they couldn't break, gold has already changed. The sellers has already gained momentum after that long buy. After this long buy, sellers has already gained momentum by giving us this bearish move. So when price came to tap on this other block, price pushed downwards. The sellers pushed downwards. Now we went upward again to react to this zone. Guys, I hope I'm not clogging this chart with lines, but you can see clearly that blue zone I drew there. Price came. Price came to the blue zone. And that is where gold is currently reacting from now. And guys, we're going to be having a massive sell on gold, guys. Watch out. So I'm going to be breaking it down. So now I'm going to move down to the 4 hour. Remember, this is my daily time frame, okay? So you can see the rejection, the massive rejection of price. See what the candles have been doing. When price got to this place, he rejected this zone here. He still came, rejected this zone, and for the third time, he did the same thing. And now we had sellers creating a change of character, market structure shift. Okay, so I will be zooming into the 4 hour. Guys, really, I've been selling goods, especially since yesterday, because all my mind was like gold was gonna buy. But since yesterday, I started seeing different thing on the charts, guys. See, this market is very dynamic, right? Trade what you see. So, guys, after this upward move, this is the 4 hour, by the way. After this upward move, price break structure came to the downside. Then before this zone, and of course, it came again and rejected that zone. Now we had a market structure shift, and now we are at a particular zone that when price finally breaks here, we are going to be selling. Yes, we want to see more of sales on gold. Okay, so no matter what gold is going to do, gold is going to sell comfortably to 4, 5, 2, 1, 4 to 4. There, that I have my blue horizontal line. Sell gold to 4,521.424. After we have, you can only do that when gold breaks this, because this is another block. Okay, so when gold takes out this other block, now if this buy was going to be positive, okay, if this buy is going to happen, we're supposed to react from here and go up. But once we break this other block zone, there'll be a retracement into that other block, making it a breaker block. Then, guys, we're going to be selling to this 4, 5, 2, 1, 4 to 4. Okay, don't mind everything I've been doing on this chart, guys. I didn't just want to make this video today. I don't want to make any video today, but I just needed to share with my people what gold is doing in case you want the info. Okay, so me, I've been selling goods yesterday. If I zoom into my lower time frame, you see how I've been selling goods. On the 15 minutes, there's this massive sell I did on the 15 minutes. When price grab liquidity, when price grab liquidity around here, right? And price retested the other block, the tiny other block. Price retested this tiny other block right here. That was when I sold. Okay, and I also took another sell again when I marked price has already broken series of structures downwards, right? Then I had to wait for price to pull back again. So I marked my liquidity zone right there. Remember, guys, I trade the SMC strategy, okay? So I had to wait for price to get into this. Meanwhile, I've already marked my FVG. Okay, this is my fair value gap. Okay, I marked my zone, my fair value gap, this blue zone. So when price got to that zone, right? So I waited for my market structure shift with this tiny blue zone there. So when price gave me that market structure shift, I waited for a pullback, and once price got back into that zone, I sold massively again. So that was what I've been doing, guys. So I said, let me just come and share with you, guys. And another sell again, but I didn't take the sell, though I marked this, but I didn't know when price did that. That was last night. So this was the zone I marked. Okay, another block zone I marked. You can see this ash this ash triangular sorry this ash rectangular shape here. Yes, it's another block. So I marked it, but I didn't see when price got to that level, so I didn't take the sell. But if I had seen it, I would have taken another sell, guys. on gold. Guys, see, price has been respecting sales. So now we're waiting for this is a minor break of structure, right? So if that happens, we're waiting for a major break of structure. And the main thing I'm actually looking out for now is a break out of this zone, okay? A break out of this order block for me to sell down to 4521, 424. Guys, this is all I have for you on gold, okay? I hope you'll be selling gold instead of buying because everything is pointing to sell. I'll still make another video on gold, but now this is just what I want you guys to participate in: sell gold before the week runs out. All right, that's it for today's video, guys. Have a nice day.